We're looking at a 2010 Toyota Venza, all-wheel drive. All right, it's got 97,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax. It's 2 previous owners. It's tropical sea metallic in color. I'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. Start here on the driver's side. Everything's in good shape. It does have the rear backup camera. And like I mentioned earlier, it is an all-wheel drive. Down here through the passenger side. Everything looks good. This thing's in really good shape to be a 2010, 97,000 miles on it. All right, it's got a clean Carfax, just 2 previous owners. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. All right, it's got the black and gray door panels with a nice wood grain trim here. Power windows, power locks. Does have the JBL synthesis audio system. Got your power mirrors here, power liftgate. It does have gray leather, power driver's seat. Driver's seat leather's in good shape. Does have a keyless entry key fob. Passenger seat leather looks good. All right, no problems there. All right, it is equipped with the sunroof. And it does have another one back here above the second row seat there. We'll show you that in a second. Got your cup holders here. Hit the button here, it does open up into storage. Got your power outlet down there, USB and auxiliary outlet. Does have your heated seats. All right, dual climate controls. Got your AM, FM, CD player right there. All right, does have your push button start. Leather wrapped steering wheel with Bluetooth and steering wheel audio controls. Alright, let's go ahead and check out the mileage. Okay, it's got 97,646 miles on it. Now that we get started, you got a little display screen right up here above the dash. We'll go ahead and engage the backup camera. Alright, go ahead and show you the display on the radio here. Okay, you got your dual climate controls. And once again, your heated seats. AC's blowing cold, no problems there. All right, let's go ahead and take a look in the back. One thing I want to show you before we look in the back there, it does have the nice WeatherTech floor mats. All right, driver's side and passenger side. All right, let's go ahead and take a look in the back. Door panels look good. Does have the WeatherTech second row seats liner here, and the leather back here is in good shape. Everything looks really good, man. This Venza is in really nice shape. 2010 with 97,000 miles on it. This thing's been well taken care of. Got the center console that comes down. Got your cup holders there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back. Does have the power lift gate. Well, let's see. Alright. Alright, does have the nice thick rubber protector mat back here. Got your spare tire under there. Okay. Plenty of room back here. And then these handles here on either side. Pull the handle, seats are going to go down. Pull this handle, seats will go down. You can see how much it really opens it up back here. All right. And the seats are light but very durable. You just simply push them back into place. All right. And the power lift gate. Nice and smooth coming down. Simply just pull these pushies back up into place. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires. Let's see, we've got 20-inch alloys. All right, tires are still in good shape. Plenty of tread left on them there. All right, once again, it's a 2010 Toyota Venza. All right, it's an all-wheel drive. It's got 97,000 miles on it. It's tropical sea metallic in color. It's got a clean Carfax, just 2 previous owners. Guys, this thing's in great shape for a 2010, 97,000 miles. Well taken care of. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.